Hello, Tampa Bay. We did it. We are so proud of our Bucks for making history as the first team to not only play the Super Bowl in their home stadium, but to win too. In honor of this historic victory and an incredible Super Bowl 55 hosting effort in our community, we want to celebrate the Tampa way.
So join us Wednesday, February 10th at 1 p.m. for a Bucks boat parade on the Hillsborough River. We invite you to raise the flags waterside. There will be plenty of viewing areas along the Tampa River Walk. So please spread out and keep your distance from other fans. Boats will set sail from Armature Works and head south to Sparkman Wharf. As a reminder, masks are required along the Tampa River Walk, so please be a good team player and mask up. If you're ill or have been recently exposed to COVID-19, don't put others at risk. Watch the parade from home. And thank you, Buccaneers, for reaching football immortality.
We are so excited to celebrate our Bucks, the Super Bowl champions. But first, I'll toss it over to Brian Ford from the Bucks organization.
Thank you, Mayor Castor. And I also want to thank Chief Dugan and the entire City of Tampa team, along with County Commissioner Hagan, Sheriff Cronister, and the entire county team. We greatly appreciate everyone's efforts for coming together so quickly to help our community celebrate this magical season. Pulling something of this magnitude together in such a short time speaks volumes for the extraordinary leadership and cooperation that we have here in our area. We look forward to celebrating with the best fans in the NFL, but it's essential that we do it the right way by abiding with the city's social distancing and face mask protocols. We want to share this feeling with the entire Bay Area, but we want to do our part to ensure it's done in a safe and responsible manner. Thank you, Tampa. We look forward to celebrating together tomorrow and to having a much larger celebration later in the year when it's safe for all of us to come together. Go Team Tampa, go Bucks.